Hello and welcome to my channel Learn Psychology with Shri. And this is the story which I have created for my students. But when I told this story, they were very happy and they understood many things. And not only that, I thought this is worth sharing many people. And today we are learning with demonstration. This story is about making tea. So today we are going to make tea. The first thing is, if we keep all these things for months or years, all these things will never become tea. Everything is there. Cylinder is filled, stove is there, lighter is there, all the ingredients are there, but still we cannot make tea. The why we cannot make tea is it is not, all these things have not undergone a process. The process is very important. So let's start the process. The process starts with lightening the stove minimum. Then we are placing this. If it is here and that vessel is here, it will not happen. All things should come together. That is kind of coordination. And here I am going to add water. Imagine before water, if I put tea powder, it will all get burnt and give you bad smell and you will run out of the kitchen. So adding first water tells us the value of priority and the very famous first things first. The famous book, Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Out of that, the first habit is first things first. This tells us the value of priority. Okay, once we added water, the next thing is we have to wait. All good things take time to complete. We cannot speed up the process. So once water is boiling, we have to wait. That is the key. It's not yet not boiling. We can edit it later, no problem. Now the water is boiling. I can add tea powder. And here everything should be in balance. I will tell you later, all these ingredients are actually our talents. If I take my example, I was very much interested in psychology. I had no graduation degree in psychology. But since I was interested, I went ahead to take admission in Indira Gandhi National Open University for MA Psychology. I completed my MA Psychology with first class. That is one good thing. Then I completed UGC NET. And now I am enrolled for PhD in psychology. So my interest in psychology was one ingredient. But before that, that ingredient alone will not make anything. So all these ingredients will not do anything on their own. And now let me tell you about these two things. They are the flavors. You may wonder that all this work has done by somebody else. What is the difference I am going to do? Something like that. See, these flavors, that is your uniqueness. Nobody in this world can replace you. Only problem comes when you hesitate to add your own flavor in whatever you are doing. So that flavor is always there. You don't have to search anywhere. It is already there. You just have to be confident and without hesitating. That is the only thing. And don't be afraid to show your flavor. This process is going on. So this is the process. Yeah, this is another flavor if you want to add. I have liking for this. Maybe I'm having this flavor and I'm adding this one. There are many other people. Some people add tulsi, some people add something else. So that's all their uniqueness. That will come anyway. If you add milk very quickly, this boiling process will get disturbed. That milk, we can kind of say our ego. If we add it too quickly without learning, before learning, if we add our ego part, we may not learn much. But it is also needed. It gives us motivation, or it gives us sense of that I have done it kind of thing. That you add it only after the final process. Looks like you can smell. Yes, it is going on well. Again, this patience part will come. Patience is very much needed in all the things we do. And my sincere suggestion for all those people who are preparing for NEET or UPSC or any state examination, don't hesitate to start cooking. Cooking teaches you a lot. This is my personal experience. One day I decided not to eat in hostel and started cooking without knowing anything about cooking. And now I can prepare a lot many things. And I am independent now as far as cooking is concerned. So the same thing I want to share with you all is start cooking, and at least make your own tea. At least make your own tea. Every time you make this you cup of your tea, you will remember this whole story. Now let us add milk. Yes. After adding milk, you need to be very careful. You should not allow your ego to spoil the things. It should be kept on working. You should keep on working on it so that it will not spoil. You got to wait and have patience. This is not just making tea, it is we are giving meaning to our existence. If you have all the talents, and if you are afraid of going into that process, all those talents will go waste. And this is not only a waste for you, it is waste for the society in which you live, and at large country where you live. And this is how, and this process is actually, sometimes this process is painful. It's not always easy. The process is painful. Process makes us work hard. Process makes us get criticism. A lot of things are there, but without that, tea will not be possible. I am now sensing that beautiful, nice aroma. You people can only watch. When you make your own tea, when you reach to this level, you will also sense. The best view always comes after a hard climb. Making tea is not that hard a thing, but understanding this concept and getting into the process, and that is the difficult part, which many people are afraid. Done? Okay. And after learning, after process, when a finished product comes, it is worth sharing. In between there is a small creature. I don't want to harm it. Now, your tea. Record ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಚಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. I have stopped drinking tea from last 10 years. This is because there was one incident happened in my house. when tea was being prepared, my daughter somehow kicked that cup and it burnt her leg, feet. So from that day onwards, I stopped drinking tea. So this is just for demonstration purpose.